In 2012, Moopens Solar began its journey from a small rented space with just 6 people. The vision was simple but powerful: to deliver solar solutions that combined the best technology with unmatched reliability. In the beginning, we focused on commercial projects, learning the market, understanding customer needs, and building a foundation for what was to come. By 2013, we realized that the future lay in commercial projects. From 2013 to 2021, Moopens Solar focused exclusively on large-scale commercial solutions. Our mission was clear: to provide world-class solar products and the strongest technical support. We brought the latest innovations to Kerala: bifacial panels, microinverters, and smart optimizers. The best technologies the world had to offer, delivered locally with precision and care. Our commitment paid off. From Kasaragod in the north to Tiruvananthapuram in the south, we built a strong, satisfied, and loyal customer base.
Moopens, it's been a decent relationship.
The best thing I like about Moopens is their customer service.
ഏത് കാര്യത്തിന് വിളിച്ചാലും വളരെ കൃത്യമായ മറുപടി തരികയും അതിന് അപ്പം തന്നെ സൊല്യൂഷൻ നിർദ്ദേശിക്കുകയും ചെയ്യും.
Recognition followed as Moopens Solar was awarded the Best Solar Renewable Energy Company by the Government of Kerala in 2012. In 2022, the landscape changed with the launch of the SORA program under MNRE. Moopens Solar embraced residential projects at scale, completed more than 5,000 successful installations, and powering thousands of homes across Kerala. The momentum continued in 2024 with the PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana program. More than 3,000 installations have been completed so far, and the journey continues. Beyond Kerala, our presence are in Andaman and Nicobar, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, and in Lakshadweep also. In Lakshadweep, we successfully executed over 750 solar projects within just 18 months, out of a total of 1,000 projects, demonstrating our leadership, efficiency, and reliability in the region. As our journey progressed, in 2025, we strengthened our presence by branding Kampanipadi Metro Station and launching our kiosk at Lulu Mall, Kochi in 2026. Today, Moopens Solar has a proven track record of 45 megawatts and 18 megawatts repeat, and referral orders reflect the trust our customers place in us. With offices in Kozhikode, Palakkad, Tiruvananthapuram, and Ernakulam, from a team of just 6 in 2012, Moopens Solar has grown to a strong workforce of 125 professionals today. Moopens Solar is not just a company, it is a promise to power the future responsibly, efficiently, and reliably.